Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. The new episode of Know Your Crypto is here. Today we'll talk about Polygon. Let's roll. Polygon is the first well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. With the help of this platform, independent Ethereum-compatible blockchains can come together in one multi-chain system. One of the purposes of Polygon is to provide faster and cheaper transactions. Matic is the internal token of Polygon. Matic has two main roles in the system: to serve as payment for services within the Polygon platform and to be a settlement currency between people who operate there. According to the CoinMarketCap data, Matic is among the top 20 cryptocurrencies with over $11 billion of market capitalization. Where did Polygon come from? Initially, Polygon project started under the name of Matic Network. It was created in October 2017 and aimed to simplify the interaction between customers and blockchain. Matic Network was founded by two blockchain developers, Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Naliwal, and a business consultant, Anurag Arjun. The team contributed a lot to implementing Plasma MVP, Wallet Connect protocol, and other significant features into the Ethereum network. The Matic Network went through the rebranding process in February 2021. Now it's well known under its new name, Polygon. What are the advantages of Polygon? The very first strength to mention is the fact that Polygon provides a scalability solution for Ethereum. This is super important as the Ethereum network is gaining popularity due to the increasing number of decentralized apps being created and NFTs boom. Here are some other advantages of the Polygon project: compatibility with all the Ethereum peculiarities, quick deployment of different blockchain networks, developing customization, interoperability for networks, two types of security, by Ethereum validators or by a pool of professionals validators, low transaction fees. What about Polygon's disadvantages? There are not really any disadvantages to Polygon itself. The main disadvantage would be more competition arising in the form of other scaling solutions, whether for Ethereum or other blockchains. To sum up, Polygon is an exciting, fast-growing crypto project. Let's hope that Polygon's team will bring more solutions in the future. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the Polygon project a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel to see more videos from SimpleSwap.